Hey, what's up YouTube? Here's another quick update video on the KITT project. So it's been about 10 days since I uploaded the last video and I've done a fair few things since then, so thought I'd do a quick update. So the first thing you'll see is the interior is a bit of a mess. So if we go inside, I've taken this door panel off. I'd done this a couple of weeks back, but I've just recently taken the other one off as well. So you can see there, it's all bare now, which is good. Now under here is a bit of a mess, as you can see. We spent a few hours the other day taking most of this out, so we're nearly there. We're nearly at the point where we can sort of pull the whole dash out. The reason why this needs to come out is so we can see what's at the back. You know, we can clear up and clean up any wires and replace anything that needs to be replaced. It just makes it a lot easier so you can actually see what you're working on. Oh yeah, wires everywhere. And one of the other things is, if you do ever do this yourself, if you work on a Firebird and you happen to change the interior at all, then bear in mind that the underlay goes right up to the top. You'll see there, look, I don't know if you can actually see under there, all of this, all of that needs to come out, and it's a bit of a pig to get out. My last KITT project that I did, I had to go right up and pull everything down, so that can be a little bit of a bugger to get all out, but it has to be done, because when you put the new carpet in, if you're going to use underlay, the sound deadening stuff, then it's going to look similar to that. So you're going to need to put it all the way up to the front of the car. So that's one thing we need to do, and that's probably another reason why we really need to get to the back and pull all of this off. So it is getting there, as you can see. Absolute mess, but it needs to be done. I really need to get everything out and just start again and just check everything. So yeah, we're making some good progress inside. You often look at this and you think, my God, there's so much work left, and there is, but as I've said in previous videos, you know, you just do bit by bit, and before you know it, you've made some good progress onto the next sort of stage. Right, so if we come back out now, one of the other things I have recently done is I've replaced the rear drums, the rear brakes. So the drums, the shoes and everything at the back are all brand new, so that's good. The front ones didn't need to be done because they were done before I bought the car. We did check everything and the front ones look really good. So yeah, it really is starting to get there. We're making some good progress now. So rear brakes have been done, front brakes have already been done, engine's in, running lovely. We're now doing all of the electrics on the inside, as you've just seen. Both door panels are off. And one of the other things I do need to do, unfortunately, one of my windows has got a bit of a crack, or a little bit of a, you see there, look. So that needs to be changed. It's not a huge job. I just need to locate a brand new driver's side window. So I need to get one of them, change that. And there isn't really too much more I need to do for the actual doors, because I think I've said this in a previous video, but these, because this is a 1990 model, it actually came with these brackets already on. So the armrests that you need for a KITT replica are the same sort of style as these. So they go across like that and then up. Whereas if you go back on any of my previous videos, on my last KITT that I built, I didn't have them on my doors. It was a bit of a bugger. I had to I had to bolt these on separately afterwards, and that was a little bit of a job. But hey, it's one of them things. But yeah, luckily on these doors I don't need to do that, so that's one thing that we don't need to do. Rear motor is working good. We fixed all of that. So everything else is coming along nicely. One thing I will say is that I've had to sell something in my garage, and I know this doesn't really have much to do with the KITT project, but my UFO, this is just like a recent project I finished. I've had to sell this because I don't have space for it in the garage. So the UFO is now sold. This is getting picked up later this week. So unfortunately, yeah, all the blood, sweat and tears I put into building that, I've now had to sell it. But you know, I can invest the money into other projects and also back into the KITT project, which is the most important project I've got going on at the moment. If we just walk around the other side, have a little look inside from the passenger angle. So you can see, look, a bit of a mess. Yeah, wires everywhere. But we're making progress, that's the main thing. So I reckon I would say by the new year, I mean, we're in November now, sort of middle of November. So I would say, I reckon by the new year, by January 2023, I'm hoping to have all of the electrics inside done. You know, like everything checked over, and I just need to get a leisure battery to put that at the back, get an amplifier. So that, you know, there is some work to be done, but I'm going to try and finish all the wiring and everything by January the 1st. That's my target anyway. And then once that is done, it'll be pretty much ready for a full respray, with the exception of two very small jobs. I've got something on the exhaust underneath, which I need to be changed. And there's something in the engine, which isn't a big deal. I've just got to change a part in the engine, so it's got to go back into the garage. But apart from that, yeah, guys, it is starting to make some good progress, as you can see. Going back into the garage in a few weeks' time, and then hopefully soon after that, we can bring the car back, and then hopefully we can try and get it booked in to get it resprayed sometime in the new year. It probably won't be until about January now, but that's it really for another small update along the way. So hope you're enjoying it. Hope you're enjoying all the videos that I've been putting out there on my channel. As I said, I'm going to try and like update you on a regular basis, just let you know like what's going on, rather than do like one big update every sort of like 4 or 5 weeks. There isn't too much more to do in the engine. Oh yeah, I will just share one last thing. What I am going to do, although my engine is looking quite nice how it is, I am going to get a stainless steel plate to go over the entire engine. Part of it will still be exposed, but that's going to be something else I'm going to do. You'll see exactly how that looks probably in the new year. I'm going to get all of that done in the new year at some point. So that's going to look really nice. That's going to look really futuristic. I don't know what color I'm going to go with yet, but it's going to look really good. So that's it really for this update. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Give us a like and leave a comment. If there's anything you think I should definitely do on this KITT project, if there's anything that you think I should do different to my last car, or any additional features you think I should put on here, just leave a comment and let me know. You know, any other comments you think, any other comments you want to leave, and let me know if, you know, if you're liking the build so far, if you would do anything different. I'm always open, you know, I'm always intrigued as to what other people think. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give us a like and leave a comment if you've got anything to say about the build. Always appreciated to hear any feedback from other people. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.